This is our potential chart. So one of the key tenets in BEET is understanding not only how long your processes are taking, but setting a good benchmark and goal to drive towards. So we introduced the idea of process potential. We look at the median cycle time of all the assets on the line. And then we also look at the top 10% of all the assets on the line. So we say, okay, on average, it's taking us about 106 seconds for this station to complete its task. 10% of the time, that can be done in 90 seconds. So we can look at the cycles where it's in the top 10%, and we can identify, hey, this is a repeatable, achievable goal we can drive towards. So this isn't showing us a perfect example, but if we had one station that was over baseline here, we could see very quickly, hey, you may be over your line takt, but if you address this, and this is the new verifiable target we can hit based on the data we've collected. We know you can do this 10% of the time. These are normal cycles that we're considering. These aren't like abnormal faulted cycles or empties or no build cycles. These are valid cycles where you're able to hit in this time. So we think this should be your target. And that's really powerful because the question isn't only how do I make my corrective actions, but what can I expect to gain from making those corrective actions? So we really try to tell that part of the story as well.